everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this NPET cat water fountain has worked so well for us. I have a big cat and two little cats, and all of them can drink easily from this fountain because the spout is adjustable. And I love that it's clear because I can easily see when it needs to be either refilled or cleaned. And it really is simple to take apart to clean. And it's a sleek design that I think blends in nicely with my kitchen because it's nice and clear and very neutral looking. This NPET cat water fountain has worked so well in our home for our cats, and we're very pleased with how well they have taken to it, and they're constantly drinking from it, and I'm constantly refilling it. And that's our point of view.